Welcome, everybody, to Marguerite and Zachary's wedding. We're here. You two are here. After all of the excitement and then delay, the hope, and then dismay, we're all here together today. And there is so much love. Look around you. Your people are here. Your friends, your cousins, your aunts and uncles, your sister, your brothers, your brother-in-law, a bunch of random people on boats. All here in witness and celebration of your wedding day.
Zach, as cliche as it is to say, I truly can't believe this day has finally come. I think it's fair to say we've both been through a lot this past year and a half, and having to postpone our wedding is definitely one for the books. As long as we've been planning this wedding, I've been dreaming about it for much longer. I always hope to find a partner who shares my life values, supports me, takes care of me, and most importantly is my best friend. I feel so lucky to have found that so early in life, and that I've found all of that with you. I say it a lot, and it's true. Life is fun with you. I know it's not always going to be perfect, but even through the hard times, I know I have a person I can depend on. I'm ready to start this journey with you. I'm ready to take your hand and work through this life with you forever. I can't wait to see you. I love you forever. Your soon-to-be wife, Maggie, XOXO.
Seems you have my heart, and I'm not scared about it.
Hi, my love. Ever since I first laid eyes on you, you had my attention. You had me wrapped around your finger like no one has before. I remember sneaking out to that RV and talking with you for hours just like it was yesterday. Those little moments are what made me fall in love with you. It may have taken several attempts of asking you out and several attempts of asking you to move in with me, but I'm glad I persisted. Most importantly, I'm glad you said yes. Life is fun with you. I enjoy every day of it. I've always been ready for the next step with you. I'm ready to enjoy marriage, plan our future. I'm ready to watch you walk down the aisle looking as beautiful as you can be.
Returning from the dust, I've been losing sleep, spinning all my thoughts around you. Seems you have my heart, and I'm not scared about it.
Marguerite, Zachary, it is my great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Zach, you may now kiss your bride.
You build my sister up, support her, respect her, take care of her, protect her, adore her. Thank you for giving your whole heart to my sister. From the day you both met to the present day and undoubtedly into the future.
I knew love was an open door. You and I have taken all this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door.
So as we all know, Maggie is a rare breed. Bright, optimistic, fun, and bold, but also kind, gentle, intuitive, and compassionate. And then there's Zach. Composed, stable, steady, and level, and yet he matches her enthusiasm and stamina on all scales. You both are the ultimate example of soulmates. You deserve all the happiness and joy from life that you've already discovered in this union. I love you both dearly. Congratulations.
I knew love was an open door. You and I have taken all this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door.
Zach, I want to thank you for always including us with your friends, and for that, we have 7 brothers on stage instead of 2. We are so happy to have the sister we never wanted. And Zach, thank you for being persistent.
Zach, you're not only a brother to us, but you are a mentor and a best friend. We wish you guys nothing but love and happiness. Cheers to newlyweds.